But same Krishna, those who are impartial, they are thinking, oh, he is Brahma. Ittam sadam Brahma Sukhanubhutta. Brahmavadi, they are thinking, oh, this is Krishna's, all this Leela is temporary. Temporary. This is called his work. Not true. Just a Krishna performed this Leela, showing to others. So they are thinking Brahma Sukha is topmost. Brahma Sukha, the happiness of a Brahma. Brahmavadis. Ittam Suru Brahma Sukhanuvittam. Dasam Gatanang Paradaivatem. Those are devotees of Dasaras, opulence mood, servitual mood. They are thinking, oh, he is Parabrahma Bhagavan. Dasam Paradaivatem. Maya Sita Naradarakena. Those were completely elucidated by Maya, Mahamaya. They are thinking Krishna is an ordinary cowherd boy. Sardham Vijahu Krita Punna Punja. Vasubal Siddham, how they have Sukriti. What kinds of their Sukriti? They also staying with Krishna and as like their friends, grabbed on the shoulder, laughing, joking, quarreling. The simple meaning. Then coming in here, this Sakha, Narodaro Keno. Ittam Satang Brahma Sukhanubhuttam Dasam Gatanang Paradar Dasam Gatanang Paradivadena. Maya Sritan Narodaro Keno. Here is the Maya Sritana, Maya Asrita. Those who are taking shelter, that is Yoga Maya. First meaning Mahamaya. And here he is saying Yoga Maya. Maya Sritana, Narodaro Keno. Narodaro Keno, Noro, Daro, two words in coming. Noro means Noro, Daro Keno. Nora means here the human being, and Nora means the gop. Daro Keno. Daro Keno, Dar, huge word, this word, that is called the wife. That means the wife of the gopis, a wife of the gopas. That means gopis. Here Narodaro, first Narodaro Keno, or here is explaining the another two words separate. Narodaro Keno. Nara means here gopa. Dar means, Sanskrit word dar means, that is called wife. Stri. So that means the wife of the gopas. That means gopis. How they are fortune. They are playing with Krishna and perform sweet Leela. Sardam Viju Kritapunna Punja. That's coming Gopi Bhav. That means gopis, how they perform Rasla with Krishna. Slok is the Sakharas. But Sanatana Goswami explain Madhurya Ras. You have Gurudev books at this. Rasayan. Bhakti Rasayan.
You see,
I think it's not here.
Near, under? Just underneath? Near Upadeshanta in front of you?
No, this is.
I think it's not here. Yeah, it's there on top. No, it's Bhajan Rahasya, that one. No. No, Bhakti Sayan is quite a big thing. It's not small like that.
Yeah. This is the Sanatana Goswami path. Every soul, even Sakkara, Vatsalars, these people use. Yeah, Bhakti Rasan.
which sloka was that? First word.
Ittam Satang Brahma Sukha.
Ittam Satang Brahma Sukhanubhuttam.
Yeah, this looks here, index. Sattang Satang Brahma Sukhanubhuttam Dasangatanang Paradaivatena Maya Sitanang Naradarakena Saddhang Drijahu Kritapunna Punja. In this way, the generally fortunate cowherd boys enjoying in various ways with Krishna, who is seen as Brahma effulgence by the Gyanis, as the supremely worshipful deity by his servants, and as an ordinary boy by the people in general. Or the word Maya Sitanam can also mean that those who had received his unmatched mercy due to the being and devoid of a mood of opulence saw him merely as the son of Nanda.
Tam satam dhamma sukhana bhutya dasyam gatanam
Here the Paradaivatena, the various who can slider him to be their worshipful deity. By that the gopis and other residents of Braj did not see him like that. Somehow, some saw him as a friend, some as son, and some as Paramod. And Maya Sritanam Noradarokena. Maya Sritanam Noradarokena. As those who, under the influence of Maya, saw him an ordinary young boy. The cowherd boys were playing with him because Kritapunna Punja, by their accumulation of pious activities, they were able to enjoy with him in this way. There are three meanings of the word punna. And first, in the mean of the conversion pious activities, but performance of the type of the punna does not qualify one to meet Krishna. Okay? Secondly, it can mean the sukriti, but by accumulation of in one receives sadhu sangha, then they may accept the shelter of spiritual master and then develop bhakti. And then bhakti performs, perfect prem comes, and when one has his prem, then he becomes made Krishna by the punna of personalities like Maharaj Harishchandra, Dodhichi Rishi, or Maharaj Sivi. Can one meet Bhagavan? No. By the practice of sadhana bhakti, sadhana bhakti, one would not meet Bhagavan, and even by processing bhakti, one would not meet him. One has not prema bhakti, then he can meet Krishna. Do not consider all types of bhakti to be one and the same. The cultivation of sadhana bhakti will gradually and elevated one. By bhava bhakti, one may receive some darshan of Krishna, but only prema bhakti can and overpower him to become the Krishna's friend and live with him. May not even the accomplished by having prema bhakti. If one does not have the bhav of Braj, this Sakha processes his prema bhakti with Braj bhav, and this is the meaning of Kritapunna Punja. Very nice, this book you can read. This every sloka, Shokha Bhaskara and Sanatana Goswami Pad manifested in the mood of madhurya. So this is called the sadhu sangha. Slok is sakha bhav, as Sanatana Goswami Pad explained in madhurya bhav. This is so without sadhu sangha means that comes as sadhu, that mood will not manifest. These are the things. So more and more anartha nivrittis, then sadhu sangha and taste will come that.
Then when anartha nivriti, after anartha nivriti is ruchi,
Anartha will be nishtha.
nista. Then when nista comes, anartha nivriti long way, and nista comes, in that moment the person start to feel more clearly attraction for the mood that he's coming from.
When nishtha will come, then his mind will be fixed. Steadiness will come. Nishtha means a steadiness.
But that is steadiness in the practice, and this you say the mixed rasas, or is it steadiness of to one rasa?
Ras will come in the stage of bhavadarshan.
Bhavanasa.
But in the beginning, also this going to the direction this way. Yeah? As like river flows toward the ocean. As the river flows towards the ocean. But in the middle, there are many obstacles coming, many dams, and many obstacles, or maybe others river also meeting, many canals meeting, many also
Rocks falling.
water of the what is it called rain water meeting. Yeah? But the river
Fixed to
fixed. This is in the same way, sadhak when he perform bhajan and sadhana, his direction is going this way, but the many obstacles will come. But the association of sadhu, then Jogmaya will arrange how to attain his perfection. Nishtha, this is the making the goal. As like a river flows the ocean. River goal is what? How to meet with ocean. Yeah, how to meet with the ocean, but so many
Obstacles in the way.
obstacles will come. Yeah? Just again, many rocks, many dams, and also many what is it called?
Other rivers.
Others river meeting, many also what is called
Gutter water.
canal, what is called
Canal water.
drain water.
drain water meeting. So, but still river also flowing for this. So in the same way, in the sadhana of the nishtha dosha, there are many also obstacles will come. How many obstacles in nishtha before?
Why?
What is that?
Lie.
Huh?
Lie.
Loy, Vikche, Aprabhati, Kosai,
Oh,
Rasasya.
in Nista, all that's in Nista.
In the stage of, before attaining the nishtha, also these types of obstacles are coming. Yeah? Loy means, what do you mean loy? Sleepiness.
Sleepiness. Mind.
Of the Maharaj, you said.
Loy, Vikche, distraction, mind distraction. Apatipatti, apratipatti, very difficult to concentrate your mind in your subject. Apatipatti, apatipatti kosai, bad, what is it called? Impressions, disturb your mind. Yeah? Rasa sadhan, during chanting holy names, listen Harikatha, many also material sense gratification, enjoyment coming in your mind automatically. Yeah, so the loy, bikche, obdhuti, kosai, rasasya.
Pratipati? And difficult to know.
Concentrate your mind. Loy, bikche. Bikche means distraction, mind distraction. Yeah? Mind going here and there. Distraction mind coming.
Yes.
What a distraction coming. Huh? First is coming loy. Loy means sleepiness coming. Huh? Understand? Sleepiness coming in when if you not understand the Harikatha, then automatically sleepiness will come. Maybe you understand Harikatha, then what is called? And you do what is called?
Distraction.
And when you chant, when you kirtan, and that time all the sleepiness automatically go away.
Yeah.
When you chanting or smaran, that time more sleepiness will come. Okay? So that means sleepiness gradation different way. And most sleepiness coming which stage?
Quiet chant.
Harikatha.
Remembrance.
Smart.
That is smaran dasa. When you chanting Gayatri mantra. And Om Bhur.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
Sleepiness, more sleepiness coming. Less sleepiness coming at the stage of listen Harikatha. Or more less sleepiness coming when you chant holy name, chanting holy name. So what is Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran? And Shravan Dasa, sleepiness coming, but the less. More sleepiness coming in the stage of
Kirtan.
eh,
Savana, Kirtan, and Smaran.
Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran. When you listen Harikatha, sleepiness coming.
Savana, yeah.
Eh? Shravan Dasa, what is it called? Sleepiness coming.
Most.
No, the general sleepiness coming. But more sleepiness will come and Smaran Dasa. A less sleepiness will come, Kirtan. When you do Kirtan, sleepiness automatically
Yeah.
go away. Huh? If you Kirtan to the devotees, then automatically sleepiness go away. So Kirtanaka Bhakti is important. That means most sleepiness coming in the Smaran Dasha. When you chanting. Eh?
That you call it
Or
Smaran
more
Dasa, when
sleepiness
chant the
coming
holy names,
in the
alone, so something holiness, this Smaran Dasa.
Shravan and Kirtan, this Shravan Dasa. Or less sleepiness is coming in Kirtan. You can do up to down.
Yeah.
Shravan, no, first is Smaran.
Mm-hmm.
Smaran Dasa. That means when you are chanting Gayatri Mantra, that is Smaran. Eh? Smaran Dasa, sleepiness automatically coming. Less sleepiness will come when you listen Harikatha.
Shravan.
And or less or more less
Kirtan.
when Kirtan. Do you understand these things? This is the nature. So obstacles, these are obstacles. This is called law. Law means sleepiness. But it is also depend on your physical
Constitution.
illness or weakness. Not everywhere, because if you are very tired, doing hard work, maybe return back for your job and tiredness coming. Then listen Harikatha, then automatically sleepiness will come. And
Or driving. Driving.
many hours driving, 4 or 5 hours driving, then automatically all your sleepiness will come. But one thing is, another thing is also extreme. And when mundane talk, that time you automatically wake up.
It's true.
Mundane talk, then automatically wake up. Even you are tired,
Yeah.
4 hours, 5 hours you are drive, you will, but when mundane talk, then sleepiness.
That's
Huh?
really
But you know, it will be good. So today go, what time?
Alan says to be there at 10 o'clock. So we 15 minutes.
10:30,
10:30 you said. Okay.
Yeah.
We leave her at 10:15.
Yeah. So 10:30 to 12:30 yoga, then 12:30 to 1 o'clock. Harikatha 10 to 5. Huh? Then again your program, what time?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Start.
Yamana was telling us to be 7:30.
Yeah.
She was calling people and telling to people 7:30.
7:30.
Yeah.
You mentioned in your
Paper.
flyers.
No, we can go 6:30. You can come 6:30. Not 7:30. The keys at 1 o'clock.
I don't know, she was calling people and telling them.
I'll ask her. Maybe something else she was talking about 7:30. 7:30 will be very late. Because 9:30 we have to finish